Today we're gonna be taking the skidoos out on the lake for the first time. We got the go ahead to go in the bay. Maybe we'll head down the lake. We'll see how it is today. Alright guys, so now that we got everything to the house and the skidoos unloaded, it's a pretty crappy day out today. It's raining and it's freezing rain out. It's pretty gray, but we're going to head to the middle of the lake anyways and try to get some cool rolling shots and some drifting shots on thin ice. Should be cool.
I'm a flight risk. I don't think they're ready for the shit. Take a flight to Cali for the bid. They don't ever wanna see me win. That's a lot of conversation. See me going up, I'm off the grid. Wanna make a couple millions for my kids. Always walking to the money, never slip. Only telling all the truth, I never fib. All the same, all the same, all the same. Spend some money, do some shit for the fame. Got a body with me, I don't know my name. Switch gears, go sky in the rain. Hit the brakes. I don't ever wanna see the face. I'm from Canada and not the States. Said I'm working way too hard, I need a break. Bitch, I'm like a boat, I'm like the way. Need to slow down.
What's going on?
I think so. I think that's his problem.
What's the problem?
I don't think so.
It's a piece of shit.
I just don't think it doesn't start. There's clearly something wrong.
What the fuck is that?
Get that on video?
Is it the fuel pump?
It smells
Well,
like
yeah,
gas.
no shit. You probably flooded it.
Yeah.
Awesome. What are we gonna do?
Very sharp.
It's got to the point that I don't even care. I got tools in the safe that I don't even wear.
Here we go.
Oh!
Three.
How do you feel, buddy? Oh shit!
Oh!
Yeah, buddy!
Oh! Yeah!
Yes, sir! Oh shit! Again! Hey! Damn! Ears! Oh! Damn!
We don't give a fuck.
Woo!
Watch your hat, bro! Let it go!
Holy shit! How's it going, buddy?
Wow!
No, dude, that was insane. Oh shit!